Hello everyone. Good morning. Jai Shri Krishna. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today's topic is who is your enemy based on the nakshatra. Nakshatra, that means the constellation. Okay, so here you see a lordship chart. Okay, firstly, you have to remember this chart, remember in the order. Okay, so you see, I have mentioned. uh, the three constellations have the same lords. You can see the Ashwini, Maga, and Mula Nakshatra have the same lord, that is a Ketu. Okay. Next, Bharani, Purva Falguni, Purva Ashada, they also have the lordship of the Shukra. Now, Kritika, Uttar Falguni, Uttar Ashada have the lordship of the Lord Sun. And the Rohini, Hasta, and the Shravan Nakshatra have the lordship of the Chandra. Moon, okay. Mrakshira, Chatra, Dhanishta have the same lord, that is a planet Mars or the Lord Mars. Adra, Swati, Shatabhisha have the same lord, that is a Rahu. And the Punavasu, Vishakha, Purva Bhadrapada have the lordship of the Jupiter. And the Pushya, Anuradha, Uttar Bhadra have the lordship of the Saturn Shani. And the Aslesha, Jyeshta, Revati have the lordship of the Mercury. So there are total 27 constellations. Okay, if you see, you have to remember in the order like Ashwini, Bharani, Kratika, Rohini, Mrakshira, Adra. Okay, but if you want to remember the lord of the all three constellation, you can remember like this. Okay, now you see the numerical value of the every nakshatra. Ashwini is 1, Maga is a 10, and the Mula is a 19. If you convert into the single digit, it comes 1. It also comes 1. So similarly, you can check all these numbers, all the numerical values of the nakshatra. See, Bhani nakshatra has given second numerical value, and Purva Falguni 11. If you count, if you convert into single digit, it comes 2, and Purva Ashara is also 20. That convert into single digit, it comes 2. Kritika, that's a 3. And next 12, that comes into single digit 3, and Uttar Ashara 21. When you will convert, when you will add both the digits 2 and 1, that is a 3. Okay, let's talk about the Rohini, my nakshatra. The nakshatra constellation number is a 4. Hasta nakshatra is a 13. Okay, this is a kind of a combination or a group combination to you know for to understand the nakshatra. 3 and 1, 4, and 2 and 2, that is a 4. Okay, so you can check all these numbers. Now, without the numerical value, you see the 27 nakshatra and the nakshatra lordship. Ashwini and the Maga and the Mula nakshatra have the Lord Ketu. Okay, so similarly, you can check all the nakshatras and you can remember all these nakshatra if you want to be an astrologer, if you want to predict the future of someone. Now, the enemies of the Lord planets based on the nakshatra Lord. Okay, so let me tell you today the enemies of the lords based on the nakshatra Lord. So there are so many types of the enemies based on the nakshatra lord, based on the moon zodiac sign, based on the sun zodiac signs, and all. Okay. Okay. So you can see this is a table. Okay. So nakshatra, here you see, the three constellations have the same lord, the Rohini nakshatra, the Hasta nakshatra, and the Shravan nakshatra. Okay. They have the same lord, that is a moon. Now here you see all the alphabets. Rohini, the letter comes in the Rohini, that is a O, Ojaswani, my name, VA, Vani, VI, that is a Vidhi, Victoria, VU, that is a Vanshika, PU, that is a Puja, Pushti, SHA, Shah se Shanaya, An se Nam, Naina, Navya, and TA, T se Tarini, Tara, Tanmay, She say Shivani, Shivangi. Shu say Shubhangi. She say Shifali. And say Shobhita. Okay. So you see the letters of the, so in Shravan Nakshatra you see the S alphabet, in Hasta P and T S, in Rohini O and V. So yesterday I told you about the all the nakshatras yoni. Okay, so Rohini's yoni is a serpent, Hasta yoni is a buffalo, and the Shravana's yoni is a monkey. So let me tell you. So for the planet Moon, friends are the Sun and the Mercury, and the neutral planets are the Mars, Jupiter, Venus, and Saturn. And there is no enemy for the Rohini, Hasta, and the Shravan Nakshatra. So score is 0. Okay. And Jamestown recommendation to control the enemies for Rohini, Hasta, and Shravan Nakshatra. There is a like no enemy, so they can wear any gemstones. Okay. Now let's come to the next nakshatra, that is a Kritika, Uttar Falguni, Uttar Ashar nakshatra. So here you see the letters that comes in the Kritika nakshatra, A, E, Wu, Ye. A that comes, that's a Adesh, okay. Anshik, E for Isha, Ikta, Wu for again Vanshika, Ye Yatharth, T, E. In a Uttar Falguni nakshatra, the letter comes T, To, Pa, Pi. T, Tejas, Tejaswini, Tot, Tawny, Pa, Palak, Pavani, Pi, Pihu, Pinky, Pinakini. Okay, now Uttar Ashad. In Uttar Ashad, Be, Bo, Jaji. Be, that's a Bela. Bo, Bodhi, Ja, Jaya, and Janvi. G se Jia, Jigisha. Okay, so you see all the letters in the all three nakshatras. So for three nakshatras, the Lord is a sun, and for Kritika nakshatra, Shiv is a, or we can say goat is a yoni, Uttar Falguni, cow, and Uttar Ashara, that is a mongoose. Now the friend for the sun, that's the moon, Mars, and the Jupiter. And for the neutral planet is a Mercury, Budh Graha. And enemy planet is a enemy lord, that is a Venus, Shukra Acharya, Shukra, and the Saturn, that is a Shani. Okay, so there are two enemies. So score is a, so the score is 2, and they should wear diamond, blue sapphire, and lapis lazuli and an iron ring to control their enemies. If you wear the enemy stone, that will benefit you. Okay. Now next is a Mragshira, Chitra, and Dhanishta Nakshatra. So in Mragshira, letter comes V, Wo, Ka, Ki. Okay. So names start with the V. That's a Vedant, Vedangana. V, O, Vohita, Ka, Kajal, Kalika, Kavya, Kavin, Kartike, Kavish, Kabir, Kasvi, many names. Ki se Kirat. Now in Chitra, P.E. Pihu, P.O. Pooja, Purva, Ra, Ramesh, Rajiv, Ragini, Raksha, Ritika, Ritesh, Riya. In Dhanishta, G.A. Gavit, A se Amit, and Ayush, Advik, Gu se Gurleen, and Gurmeet, G for Gita. Okay, so I have told you so many names. So for all these nakshatra, Mars is a ruler, Mars is a lord, and the Yoni is a serpent. For Mragshira, for Chitra, that's a tiger. For Dhanishta, that's a lion. Now the friend for all these nakshatra is a sun, moon, and Jupiter, and the neutral planet, that is a Venus and Saturn. And for enemy planet is a Mercury, Buddha Graha. So you have to wear the green emerald or jade gemstone, or you can recite the the Ganesha Stotram. And for Venus and Saturn, you can recite the Shri Mahalakshmi Stotram. Okay, so next is a Ashlesha, Jeshta, Revati. Okay, so the Lord for the all these nakshatra is a Mercury, and for Ashlesha the Yoni is a cat, Jeshta deer. Revati's Yoni is an elephant. And for Mercury, the friendly planet is the Sun and the Venus, and the neutral planet is a Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, and the Moon is a enemy of the Mercury. Okay, Moon, that means these alphabets, these nakshatra. Okay, for Ashlesha, Jeshta, and Revati. So they should wear the pearl, opal, or the moonstone, to control their enemies. And in Ashlesha, letter starts from D, do, de, do, D, Digvijay, Dugu, Durgalal, D, Debazit, Dolly. In a Jeshta, no se Nupur, Ya se Yashraj, Yi se Yishika, U se Yuvika, and in Revati, D for Devyani, Do for Dogu, and CHH for Chaitanya, Chanakya, CHIG for Chidambaram. Okay, and yeah, I forgot here is it U, not V. You say like Urvashi. Okay, Usha. Now next is a Jupiter. Let's talk about the Purnavasu, Vishakha, and the Purva Bhadra. So for Jupiter, Saturn is a neutral. Friendly planet is a Sun, Moon, Mars, and the enemy is a Mercury and the Venus. So the enemy planets are Mercury and Venus. So score is a 2. So green, emerald, and jet. So in a Purnavasu Nakshatra, let us start with the K, Ko, Ha, He. K for Kesha, O for Komal, H for Hanuman, Hansika, HI Himani, T to Teo. It comes in the Vishakha Nakshatra. So T for Tia, okay, Timila, 2 for Tushar, Tulsi, TE for Tejaswani, TO for Tommy, and in a Purva Bhadra, SE Sejal, SO, that is a Soham, DHA, that is a Dhananjay, okay, DHI, that's a Dhirendra, okay. So all these names or letters come in all the 3 nakshatras. So they should be a green emerald or diamond. Next nakshatra is a Bharani, Purva Falguni, and the Purva Ashada. So Lord is a Venus for all 3 nakshatra. Yoni in a Bharani, for a Bharani, elephant, Purva Falguni, rat, and rodent, okay, Chuha, and the Purva Ashada, that is a monkey. So friend for all 3 nakshatra is a Mercury and Saturn, and the neutral planet is a Mars and Jupiter, and the enemy planet is Sun and Moon. Again, Moon, they consider me as their enemies. Okay, so they should wear. So score is a 2 because of the Sun and the Moon both are the enemy planets. So they should wear the ruby, okay, pink stone, pearl stone, or like a opal, moon stone, like stone should be in the white color. Next nakshatra is a Pushya, Anuradha, Uttar Bhadra. Okay, so Lord is a Saturn, Yoni for Pushya, sheep, Anuradha, deer, Hiran, and Uttar Bhadra, that's a cow. And friendly planets are like, okay, so friendly planet is a Mercury and Venus for the Saturn, okay, and the neutral planet is a Jupiter, and enemy planets are Sun, Moon, and Lord Saturn. So remedies are like they should wear the ruby, pearl, moonstone, and the coral stone because of the Mars, okay. And yes, let me tell you the name letters. In a Bharani, Purva, Falguni, in a Purva, Ashada, the letters start with the Li, Lu, Le, Lo, Li, Li, Likhit, Lu, Lumbini, and Li, Salila, Lu, Lohit, Mo start, Monique, Monica, Tara, Tarini, T, Tilak, Tushar, Tulsidas, and name start with the Buddha, DH Dhani, and name start with a BHA, that is a Bhanu, DA Darshik. Okay. Now let's talk about the in a Pushya, Anuradha, Uttar Bhadra Nakshatra. Okay, so here you see the letters who, he, ho, da. Who, Mayu. Not to, that's a Islamic name. Who say Pavitra. H-E, he, Hira. H-O, Holika. D-A, that's a Damini. N-A, N-A, Naman, Navdeep, Ni, Nishchay, Nishant, Nisha, Nu, Nupur, Nu, and N-E, Niharika, D-H-U, Dhuti, K-H. So, and let so name start with K-H-A, that is a Kharika, J-H-A, Jarana, Zer, Janisha, T-H-A, Tharika. Okay. Now let's come to the next nakshatra, that is a combination of the Adra, Swati, and the Shatabhisha. So all three planets have the lordship of the Rahu. And the Adra nakshatra Yoni is a dog, Swati nakshatra's Yoni is a buffalo, Shatabhisha nakshatra's Yoni is a horse. And the friendly planets are Venus and Saturn. And the Mercury, Jupiter, and Ketu are the neutral planets for all these nakshatra, and the Sun, and the Moon, and the Mars. Trios, they are the enemies of the all these letters or the nakshatras. So they should wear the ruby, pearl, or the coral stone. Okay, so score is a 3. So let's talk about the names of the Adra, Swati, and Shatabhisha. So Kuf, Kulish, GHA is a Gathi, Gahitha, JHA, Janvi, Jamkudi, Jalak, CHA, Charu, Chandrika. And if you talk about the Ru, name start with the Ru, Rupindra, Rukmani, okay? And RE, that's a Reva, Ro, Roshni, TA, Tarika, Tanisha, and GS alphabets come in the Shatabhisha. Go, Gopika, SA, Sachin, C, Sia, Su, Sunil, S, Suparna. So now let's talk about the Ashwini, 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 Magha, and the Mula Nakshatra. So the rulership of on over these nakshatra is a Ketu, and the Ashwini's Yoni is a horse, Magha's Yoni is a rodent, Mula's Yoni is a dog, and the friendly planets are Sun and the Mars, and the neutral planets are Mercury, Jupiter, Moon, and Rahu, and the uh, enemy planets are Venus and the Saturn. So they should wear the Venus gemstone, that is a diamond, and the Saturn gemstone, that is a blue sapphire, or they can wear the iron ring as well. So score is a 2. And let's talk about the name. Okay, so name start with the Chu, Chi, Cho, La. Chu, Chutki, CHE, Chetan, CHO, Cholai, Lalita, Lalit, Ma, Tati, Tu, Manas, Tanmay, Tanu, Tisit, Sha, Tuhina, and Tuhini, Ye, Yo, Ba, Bi, in a Mula Nakshatra, Ye, Yesha, Yo, Yogini, B, A, Balika, Baijayanti, and we say Bindumati, Veena. Okay, so now let's come to the nakshatra letters and enemy letters. So for Rohini, Hasta, Shravan, there is a no enemy letters. So for the Punavasu nakshatra, Vishakha nakshatra, Purva Bhadra nakshatra's letters, enemy letters are here. Okay. So Mercury and Venus both are enemy of the Jupiter. In a Bharani, Purva, Phalguni, Purva, Ashara nakshatras, alphabets here, and the enemy nakshatras are here. Okay, so they consider Moon, Rohini nakshatra, as an enemy also. Okay, in a Pushya, Anuradha, Uttar Bhadra, alphabets come. You see this chart, and Sun, Moon, and the Mars. All three planets are the enemies of the nakshatra of the Pushya, Anuradha, and Uttar Bhadrapada. In Adra, Swati, Shatabhisha, Rahu is the the lord of these planets, and the enemy letters are Sun, Moon, and Mars letters. In Ashwini, Magha, and Mula, Ketu. Ketu is a lord, and the enemy planet is a Venus and the Saturn. You can check the letters. Your name comes in which nakshatra. Okay, so gemstone recommendation, highly recommended. You see the diamond, amethyst, ruby, emerald, moonstone, onyx, opal, lapis lazuli, turquoise, amber, aquamarine, coral, sapphire, pearl, blue opal, quartz, topaz, sapphire, yellow sapphire, and jade. Okay, so based on your nakshatra, you can wear gemstone. Thank you for watching. I hope you get the useful knowledge from this presentation. Good luck. Okay. Thank you so much.